So I'm the head teacher at Drybrook Primary School, Thomas Hennessy. We were at a point previously where we weren't able to access cutting-edge technology in terms of a teaching and learning point of view because we didn't have the infrastructure behind the scenes. So we've done a lot of work over the last 18 months with Redway Networks and Meraki as well, putting in an infrastructure behind the scenes. So we've already got a faster internet coming into the building. We've looked at our network infrastructure across the whole of the school to make sure that our coverage in each classroom is allowing us now to get to a point where we can look educationally at what we do. The staff love it because you're not getting cut out in the middle of a lesson, which is amazing. So from a staff point of view, it aids productivity. From a pupil point of view, it's allowing us now to explore different online platforms. We're a rural school, which has led us to really look at how we look at securing the site. So the Meraki CCTV, which we've put up around the site, gives us pretty much full coverage now around all of the perimeter, which from a security point of view for the actual facilities is really good. It's also allowing us to manage in terms of safety for the children as well across the site. When I'm showing parents around, that's something that they love to see and love to hear. The benefit I found massively with the Meraki system is that it's very quick and easy to see what's going on. If somebody said something's happened, from a security point of view, we can check it almost instantaneously to see what's happened, and I can do it from pretty much anywhere as well. We've tried to look as much as possible from a cost point of view at storing everything on the cloud to allow us to utilise faster internet connection and our better network within school. And that's across the board, not just for the CCTV, which has allowed us then to spend other money on other bits and pieces, which only aids the education of all of the children. Across the pandemic, we noticed a big change in hybrid learning. So we've got the Cisco umbrella across all of our platforms. It's allowed us to really push the barrier, I suppose, of what the technology can do, but keep that safety net around it and keep that monitoring process in place. Redway Networks been really good at working through this huge infrastructure development project with us. There's always going to be bumps in the road with a project this size. They've been really good at supporting us through those bumps in the road, working with us to make sure things are going as smoothly as possible and as quickly as possible, and we're getting the end result that we really need.